What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you with a really quick video to show you how to make good money passively every month. That, all you've got to do is a little bit of hard work up front, get it going, and once you do, it'll be passive coming in every month. What I'm talking about is making YouTube videos like this. Really simple. You don't even have to show your face. Granted, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Depends on what I feel like that day. And you just, do this sort of thing, and it's really simple to do. What you want to do, of course, start your YouTube channel here. Start creating videos. And once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel. I know most of y'all watch YouTube enough to know what I'm talking about with these ads coming up at the beginning of your video, sometimes in the middle of the video, sometimes at the end of the video, sometimes all the above. I know they can be annoying, but that's the way channel creators make money. Basically, what you want to do, you come over here to Google, type in, well, as you see, I've already done it. Google Ads. Alright. It'll take you straight here, the first link. And all you do is click on the very top one. And then it'll take you to Google Ads. Well, AdWords. The homepage for it. And what you do, you sign in, and as long as you've got a Gmail account, if not, go back to Google, set up a Gmail account. It's free, just like YouTube, which I'm guessing if you're watching YouTube, you probably got a Gmail account. And as long as it's linked to the computer, all you got to do is hit sign in, and it will bring up Google Ads for you. Which, you go in and you link your YouTube channel to the Google Ads to make this passive income. It's really not that difficult. I'm not going to go through and show you how to do all that right now. What I am going to do, we're going to go back to YouTube and show you that you don't have to have a huge channel, right? Say, like Gary Vee has a huge channel, but just type in make money online. Here we go. Right. Find a small channel here. Let's see if we can find one relatively quickly. That's somebody I hadn't heard of. Not Big Mark. Where'd it go? Why is Big Mark coming up? I know Big Mark's got a decent subscriber. See, he's got 113,000. Kevin Davids. Who cares? I'm looking for small channels. He's got 124, so no, that don't work either. Project Life Mastery. Digital Millionaire. He's only got 90. Wholesale Ted. I know. Here we go. Luxury Cove has 52,000, which is not really that big of a channel. ODI. Investing with Rose. I don't know who you are. I've never heard of you, but hey. Freedom Influence, Digital Millionaire, Eric Ellis. How many there you got? He's got 30,000. Let's go with Eric's. I like Eric. See what he's actually making. I'll show you how you can find out which. I've been following Eric since had about 5,000, but that's okay. Well, fine. It don't want to go that way. Let's go over here to Social Blade. I don't know why my computer's won't act stupid, so. I think that's right. I think that's how he spells his last name. Yeah. Okay. Now search. You see he's only got 30,000 subscribers, which shows you it's not really hard to get a big subscriber base. Right here it is. Matter of fact, it's got 30,000 on the nose. But anyway, select channel. Well, there we go. Maybe it'll go now. Here we go. He's got a C plus, which I know he's making more than that. I don't know why this thing ain't working right today. Well, one, Eric don't run a whole lot of ads either. So let's go find somebody else here that I know that does. Justin does, but he's got a millionaire mindset. Let's try him. He's got 34,000. I do not want to hear that. Let's do this. He's got 34,000. Let's see what this one says. I don't know why Social Blade is telling me with all these lower numbers that they're not making as much as I know they are. So he's got 212 uploads and he's got 34,000 subscribers, which I'm sure he's a lot more consistent than I am, which makes a world of difference. See, he's, from what I understand, these are about a third of what you're actually going to make. And as you see, it's between $100 and $1,500 a month. I mean, and for some reason he all of a sudden takes off right there. Obviously he made a video that basically went viral that really helps out, and that's probably the reason why he started making as much money as he has now. Let's just try one more, see if we can find somebody else with a small following. That way I can show you that, you know, keep in mind you can have multiple channels. You don't have to just have one. YouTube does not stop you there. Not taught. How you spell taught? How do you spell that? T-A-U-G-H. T-A-U-G-H-T. In school. Well, now y'all see why I don't do this. I totally screwed that up. Maybe it'll come up. Maybe it won't. Okay, let's do it the easy way. Copy that. Come back over here. And let's paste that in. So you noticed he only had 50,000 where the other guy had 30. I don't know exactly how many uploads he's got, but 350. So if you done one a day, that's still less than a year. and see, if you don't run a lot of ads, if you notice, you don't make a whole lot of money. The key to this is to monetize your channel. You know, and once you start monetizing, you know, check out the first link in the description. It's another way to make more passive money. You know, there's no sense in just limiting yourself to one stream of income. So, you know, remember, I come out with videos 3 times a week, sometimes more. I'll sprinkle some in here and there. Just, you know, do me a favor, like and subscribe, share this with anybody you think might get a kick out of it or might be able to use the information. Until next time.